Right, the birth rate per 1,000 in in Eastern Europe is given by the data below. So this is Western Europe, this is Eastern Europe. If you've watched a previous video, you will already be familiar with this data. It says draw a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram to represent these data and comment on the result. So here's the data. So looking at both sets, you need to look for the lowest and the highest value. So the lowest is actually in Western Europe and the highest is also in Western Europe, which is 14.8. So you draw your stem going from the lowest 6 to 14, and the leaf are going to make the point value. So as we've already done this in a previous video, this is what the data looks like. This is unordered. And now we need to do Eastern Europe. So we look at this 12.9, so put a 9 here, 10.7, a 7 here, 8.9, we put a 9 there, 8.9, put another 9, so it goes this way, 9.5, 9.6, 10.5, 9.2, 12.0, 10.4, 9.7, 9.1, 9.1, 9.9, 8.4 and 10.7. So this Eastern Europe goes this way. It doesn't matter which way round you put these two. Put in a key, so 9/8, 1 means 8.9 for Eastern Europe and 8.1 for Western Europe. That came from here, for example, 9/8/1. So just drawing that out again. And now what you need to do is order it. So ordering it, so we'll order this one first. Making sure you've got the key in. So ordering it, we've already done before. So let's put them in order. Right, then now do the same for Eastern Europe. So this will become 499. So the lowest number goes here, we work that way. This one will become 1125,679. This one will become 4577. And this one will become 09. Okay, so this is the completed back-to-back stem and leaf plot. Looking at it, we can just see that the birth rate for Eastern Europe seems to be lower than Western Europe. Okay, and just going back to the stem and leaf plot, we could then use this to calculate some sort of statistics like the mode, median, the interquartile range for each one, and then use it to make a comparison. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to draw a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.